When it comes to choosing what healthy foods to eat every day, the options can seem overwhelming. There are so many different opinions and fad diets out there, it can be hard to know what is truly best for your body. But one thing is for sure, a diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods is key to maintaining good health. One of the most important food groups to include in your daily diet is fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help to keep your body functioning at its best. Aim to include a variety of colors in your diet, as different colored fruits and vegetables offer different health benefits. For example, red fruits and vegetables, like tomatoes and red peppers, are high in lycopene, which has been shown to reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as fiber and folate. Whole grains are another important component of a healthy diet. Unlike refined grains, which have had the bran and germ removed, whole grains contain all parts of the grain and are therefore higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Examples of whole grains include brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat. These foods can help to regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Protein is also essential for a healthy diet as it is needed for building and repairing tissues in the body. While animal sources of protein like meat, poultry, and fish are popular choices, plant-based sources like beans, lentils, tofu, and nuts are also excellent options. These foods are lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, making them heart-healthy choices. Additionally, plant-based proteins are often high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied after meals. Healthy fats are another important component of a balanced diet. While it is true that fats are higher in calories than carbohydrates and protein, they are essential for overall health. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil can help to reduce inflammation in the body and lower the risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, are especially important for brain health and reducing the risk of depression and anxiety. In addition to these food groups, it is important to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Water is essential for digestion, circulation, and temperature regulation in the body. Aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day, and more if you are active or live in a hot climate. While it is important to focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods, it is also okay to indulge in treats occasionally. Depriving yourself of your favorite foods can lead to feelings of deprivation and ultimately sabotage your efforts to eat healthily. Instead, aim for balance and moderation in your diet. If you have a craving for something sweet, try reaching for a piece of dark chocolate or a small serving of fruit instead of a sugary dessert. In conclusion, choosing what healthy foods to eat every day can seem like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. By focusing on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats, you can nourish your body and support your overall health. Remember to stay hydrated, indulge in treats in moderation, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. With a balanced approach to eating, you can feel your best and enjoy a lifetime of good health.